In 2015, India enacted the Juvenile Justice, Care and Protection of Children Act, focusing on rehabilitation over punishment for young offenders. The act recognizes that children, due to their developing brains, are less culpable than adults. It mandates specialized institutions like juvenile justice boards to handle cases with sensitivity. These bodies consider each child's circumstances before making decisions. The goal is to provide care and rehabilitation, helping children build a brighter future. The Juvenile Justice Act defines a child as anyone below 18, aligning with international standards. This definition determines if an individual is tried under the juvenile or adult justice system. The Act provides mechanisms like medical exams to determine age when in doubt. If documents are unavailable, other evidence like school records can be used. This ensures minors receive the protections of the juvenile justice system. Section 9(2) of the Juvenile Justice Act requires courts to verify the age of the accused if juvenility is claimed. This section is crucial in ensuring that young individuals are not unfairly treated within the legal system. Courts must initiate this inquiry even if the accused doesn't raise the issue. This means that the responsibility lies with the court to ensure that the age of the accused is accurately determined, regardless of the defense's actions. This proactive role ensures children's rights are safeguarded. By taking the initiative, courts help protect minors from being subjected to the adult criminal justice system, which can have severe and long-lasting consequences on their lives. Courts must independently verify age, not just accept prosecution claims. This independent verification is essential to maintain the integrity of the judicial process and to ensure that no biases or errors affect the outcome. They can call for evidence like medical records or testimonies. This evidence can come from various sources, including school records, birth certificates, and expert testimonies. To provide a comprehensive view of the accused's age, the inquiry must be fair and thorough, considering all evidence. It is not enough to simply gather evidence. The court must also critically evaluate its reliability and relevance to ensure a just determination. Section 9(2) ensures no juvenile is wrongly tried as an adult. This provision is a safeguard against the potential misapplication of justice, ensuring that young individuals receive the appropriate legal protections and are treated in accordance with their age and maturity. Section 7(a) mandates a preliminary assessment by a juvenile justice board for every child apprehended. This assessment determines if the child should be in institutional care or released on bail. Factors like age, maturity, and family background are considered. The board can recommend interventions like counseling or vocational training. This child-centric approach moves away from a one-size-fits-all model. The Supreme Court emphasized the importance of accurately determining age in juvenile cases. This is crucial because the age of the accused can significantly impact the legal proceedings and the type of justice they receive. If there's doubt about age, the benefit of juvenility should be given to the accused. This principle ensures that young individuals are not unfairly treated as adults, which can lead to harsher penalties and a more challenging rehabilitation process. Wrongly treating a juvenile as an adult can have severe consequences. It can lead to psychological trauma, exposure to hardened criminals, and a higher likelihood of reoffending. The justice system must be careful to protect the rights and well-being of young individuals. The Juvenile Justice Act aims to prevent children from being caught in a cycle of crime. By focusing on rehabilitation rather than punishment, the Act seeks to provide young offenders with the support and guidance they need to reintegrate into society successfully. The court clarified that proving juvenility isn't solely the accused's burden. Legal representatives and the court itself must take an active role in verifying the age of the accused to ensure a fair trial. Courts must proactively inquire into the age if there's any doubt. This proactive approach helps to safeguard the rights of young individuals and ensures that they are treated in accordance with the law. This ensures children receive the protections of the Juvenile Justice Act. By doing so, the justice system upholds the principles of fairness and rehabilitation, giving young offenders a chance to correct their paths and build a better future. Case studies highlight the real-life impact of the Juvenile Justice Act, showcasing how it can change the trajectory of young lives. Take the case of Raju, a 17-year-old who faced significant challenges proving his age due to a lack of proper documentation. His story is a testament to the hurdles many juveniles encounter in the legal system. The court, in an effort to determine his true age, ordered a bone ossification test. This medical examination revealed that Raju was indeed a juvenile, which significantly altered the course of his legal proceedings. Instead of facing a lengthy prison sentence, Raju was given the opportunity to receive counseling and continue his education. This approach not only helped him avoid the harsh realities of adult prison, but also provided him with the tools to rebuild his life. Raju's case is a powerful example of the Juvenile Justice Act's transformative potential. It highlights how the Act can offer young offenders a second chance, steering them away from a life of crime and towards a brighter future. When implemented effectively, the Act provides second chances for children, ensuring they receive the support and guidance needed to make positive changes in their lives. By focusing on rehabilitation rather than punishment, the Juvenile Justice Act helps young people rebuild their lives, allowing them to contribute positively to society. It emphasizes the importance of education, counseling, and community service in the rehabilitation process, ultimately aiming to create a safer and more just society for all. The Supreme Court's judgment and the Juvenile Justice Act mark a turning point in juvenile justice. They emphasize treating children differently from adults in the legal system. Increased sensitization and training for stakeholders are needed. Judges, police, and welfare members must handle cases with sensitivity. Robust age determination methods are crucial, especially for marginalized children. Community-based rehabilitation programs should be prioritized over institutional care. Efforts should focus on reintegrating children into their families and communities. The Juvenile Justice Act, 2015, aims to create a humane system for children in conflict with the law. The Act's focus on rehabilitation aligns with international standards. The Supreme Court's judgment reinforces the need for accurate age determination. This sets a precedent for future interpretations and effective implementation. A collective effort is needed to protect children's rights and help them reach their full potential.